Military scientists in the U.S. have revealed a series of experiments designed to create super soldiers with enhanced mental capabilities. The successful test used electrical brain stimulators to enhance the mental skills of soldiers. It is hoped the research could lead to treatments for drone operators, air crews and others in demanding roles. Within the Air Force, various operations such as remotely piloted and manned aircraft operations require a human operator to monitor and respond to multiple events simultaneously over a long period of time. Researchers at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio wrote in the journal Frontiers in Human Neuroscience. With the monotonous nature of these tasks, the operator's performance may decline shortly after their work shift commences. Brain stimulation kits use 5 electrodes to send weak electric currents through the skull and into specific parts of the cortex. The team used a test developed by NASA to assess subject, asking them to keep a crosshair inside a moving circle on a computer screen while constantly monitoring and responding to 3 other tasks on the screen. This study consisted of 20 participants from Wright-Patterson Air Force Base with an average age of 31.1. Half of the volunteers had a constant 2 milliamp current beamed into the brain for the 36-minute-long test, and the other half formed a control group who only received 30 seconds of stimulation at the start of the test. Researchers were shocked to find those who had the treatment began to perform better than the control group just 4 minutes into the test. The findings provided new evidence that TDCS has the ability to augment and enhance multitasking capability in a human operator. The team wrote, future research should be conducted to determine the longevity of the enhancement of transcranial direct current stimulation on multitasking performance, which has yet to be accomplished. While electrical brain stimulation appears to have no harmful side effects, some experts say its long-term safety is unknown. We don't know how the stimulation of one brain region affects the surrounding unstimulated regions. Roy Hamilton, Maryland, MS, an assistant professor of neurology and director of the Laboratory for Cognition and Neural Stimulation at University of Pennsylvania, said, stimulating one region could improve one's ability to perform one task but hurt the ability to perform another. In addition, what a person is doing during TDCS, reading a book, watching TV, sleeping, can change its effects. Researchers say which activity is best to achieve a certain change in brain function is not yet known. Neil Levy, deputy director of the Oxford Center for Neuroethics, told The Guardian that compared with prescription drugs, electrical brain stimulation could actually be a safer way to boost the performance of those in the armed forces. I have more serious worries about the extent to which participants can give informed consent and whether they can opt out once it is approved for use, he said. Even for those jobs where attention is absolutely critical, you want to be very careful about making it compulsory or there being a strong social pressure to use it before we are really sure about its long-term safety.